At night, Maya, a janitor, pushes her heavy cleaning cart, sweat-soaking her uniform, at the elevator. Mr. Clock blocks her. This is for executives, not you. He sneers, forced to climb 30 flights of stairs. Maya collapses from exhaustion by chance. The general manager sees her struggle and uncovers the truth. The next morning, in a company meeting, he calls out Clock. Since you think janitors don't deserve the elevator, tonight you clean all 30 floors by hand. Power is to protect, not humiliate. The room goes silent. Maya's eyes shine not with sorrow, but because someone finally stood up for her.